It's the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 31st of January. This is James Spann. We've still got rain falling in parts of east and southeast Alabama. We'll see a few showers this evening for the northern half of the state. Then a really nice weekend ahead. And next week, we're flirting with record highs. How about that for a pattern flip? Let's go right to the radar. This is live at 2:43 this afternoon. And you can see rain falling over the east and southeastern part of the state. And again, we note we got a little thunder in spots. See some lightning in parts of Macon and Bullock and Coffee and Pike and Covington counties down in South Alabama. But there's no chance of any severe storms. The air is relatively stable. Let's go to the radar out of Columbus Air Force Base, and we note additional showers are forming over North Mississippi. Those showers are underneath the cold core trough, and as that rotates through North Alabama, we'll have these scattered showers later this afternoon and early tonight. Again, nothing especially heavy, and all of this should be out of the state by midnight tonight, and the weekend looks nice. There's the upper trough. That thing has been lifting out steadily from the southwest United States over the past couple of days. And again, with the passage of that in the cold air aloft, that'll kick off those scattered showers over North Alabama, the northern half of the state this evening. There's the visible satellite view, and the sky is actually cleared over northwest Alabama in places like Florence, Russellville, Haleyville, Hamilton. It's a sunny afternoon. Of course, we got the clouds and the rain over the eastern and southeastern part of the state, but notice the convective clouds over Middle Tennessee and North Mississippi. Those are the scattered showers underneath that cold core trough. Here's the radar composite across the southeastern states. Rain basically east of a line from Knoxville, Tennessee to Anniston down to about Andalusia. And again, there's some thunder in there, but there's no chance of any severe storms. And again, you can see those new showers forming over North Mississippi. And again, those will be kind of scooting across the northern half of the state over the next few hours. We'll check temperatures. Because of the clouds, we've got mostly 50s over the eastern side of the state. It's only 52 for Ashland, Anniston 53, Gadsden 55. But over on the western side of the state, you can see we have low 60s for places like Fayette, Winfield, and Reform, where the sun has popped out. Warm spots statewide. Dothan, they've got 72, but they've got rain moving in, so those numbers will come down. Mobile 65, mostly 50s for the northern two-thirds of the state. We'll check the watch warning map. We've got winter storm warnings in effect for much of the northwest United States. A lot of snow there with a system coming in off the Pacific, parts of Wyoming, Idaho, Montana, Washington State, and Oregon. But again, that little marginal risk the SPC had defined, they've taken that off the board, and that's the right thing to do. There's just no chance of any severe storms. And again, we've got some thunder, but nothing severe for the rest of today and tonight. Tomorrow, not a single thunderstorm across the United States, and the same thing on day 3, which is Sunday. Here's a look at the rain for the next 7 days. And the numbers have come down. Again, really, most of this rain is what we saw today. Rain next week looking relatively light at this point. Looks like the main dynamics for rain will stay a bit north of the state. But we still need rain. Again, this is the new drought monitor that came out yesterday, and about 40% of Alabama is still in some type of drought condition. So model fans, here we go, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. Zonal flow and a nice punch of dry air coming in here. We start the day in the 40s, probably some upper 30s for the colder pockets. And then the high will be in the 60s. The sky will be sunny, just a really, really nice day. And I got the same thing on Sunday. We start the day in the 40s. The high Sunday will be in the upper 60s and low 70s. Let's go through next week. Monday, back in the 70s statewide. And again, toward the middle of the week, we could flirt with record highs. We're still dry. This is Tuesday, and again, evidence moisture tries to increase. Could there be an isolated shower? Yes, but most places dry. Wednesday, the better chance of rain north of the state. And again, the numbers keep creeping up. Inevitably, somebody's going to touch 80 on Wednesday. That's the day we'll probably see some new record highs established across the state. This is Thursday. The better chance of rain stays north of here. And a week from today, this is Friday, the 7th of February, zonal flow. And again, it's a dry air mass, a slightly cooler air mass dropping in. Highs go back in the 60s, but still, that's pretty far above average for this time of the year. So let's keep going. 10 days out. This is Monday, the 10th of February. And again, it's a zonal flow. You need a high amplitude pattern to get some really cold air in here. And now cold air can creep in here with something like that. But again, just no sign of any big Arctic blasts for the next 10 days. This is suggesting there could be a few showers around on that date. And again, that's Monday the 10th. We'll check rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. The mean, it's up there toward 3 inches between now and the 15th of February. And again, that's increasing rain opportunities really about 10 to 15 days away. Latest numbers off the NBM National Blend of Models. Look at those 70s next week. And again, if you're in South Alabama, it'll be warmer. 74 on Tuesday, 76 on Wednesday. Wow. And then the numbers drop off a little bit toward the 10th, the high dropping to 59. But again, the upper air pattern just doesn't favor any big Arctic blast for the next 10 to 15 days. In fact, here's the new 8 to 14-day guidance just issued moments ago by CPC, the Climate Prediction Center. And look there, we're still in the orange and red, meaning temperatures will stay above average. And understand, we have a long way to go in winter. We all know we can have some pretty severe cold snaps here in late February and March. Biggest snows in Alabama have occurred when? Month of March. We've even had good snows here the first week of April. So winter's got a long way to go, but it sure looks like we're going to be pretty mild here for the next couple of weeks. So one more time, let's go back to the radar. And again, we note those new showers forming over North Mississippi underneath the cold core trough. And those showers will be creeping into north and northwest Alabama over the next couple of hours. So just be aware of that. And then we'll go down to the southeastern part of the state. And again, you can see rain and thunderstorms there. Still raining in Auburn, Opelika, Union Springs, Phoenix City, Eufaula, Troy, Luverne, Andalusia. Raining in Enterprise, Dothan, Ozark. And again, we're seeing some lightning in there. But again, severe storms should not be a problem. Hey, let's roll that Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Look at here, got a gym full. Kindergarten students, pre-K, Taylorville Primary School in Tuscaloosa County. Oh, we had a good time today. Obviously, we talked about snow. We talked about thunderstorms. Storms are good. We need the rain. They're a vital part of the water cycle. We talked about tornadoes and hurricanes and how we forecast the weather, but they were great listeners and great learners. So again, to all those amazing kids at Taylorville Primary School in Tuscaloosa County, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You guys are looking good. So tomorrow it's a book signing in Decatur, Morgan County, the Tennessee Valley. Java J Coffee, we're going to be there between 10:30 and 1:30. So come see us. We have all the cool weather shirts. They're good. If you watch these videos to the end, you're a weather dweeb. There's some good stuff. Of course, we have the children's books, our Benny and Chipper series, The Wonder of Thunder, Prepared, Not Scared. We have the book about April 27, 2011, All You Can Do Is Pray. We have Weathering Life and so much more. So again, Decatur, tomorrow, 10:30 to 1:30. Java J Coffee, 6th Avenue. Hope to see you guys there. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.